Hey there! Welcome to UpPromote Affiliate Marketing Tutorial Series. In today's video, we'll show you how to set up the Autotier commission feature. A tiered commission structure is a powerful way to motivate your affiliates. By offering different commission rates based on their performance tiers, affiliates stay engaged and work harder to reach the next level, unlocking higher commissions as a reward. With UpPromote's Autotier feature, tracking sales and moving affiliates between tiers happens automatically in real time, so you don't have to update anything manually. Today, we will guide you how to set up Autotier commission with 3 levels. Tier 1. For affiliates with 0 to 99 sales, they'll earn a 10% commission. Tier 2. Affiliates with 100 to 499 sales will get a 12% commission. Tier 3. Affiliates who hit 500 sales or more, they'll earn a 14% commission. Remember, before setting up the Autotier commission, you need to have multiple programs created. If you want to learn how to create programs, check out the tutorial linked in the description. Head back to UpPromote. To save time, we've already preset these 3 programs with their respective commission rates. Now, let's set up the Autotier commission feature. First, activate the Autotier settings. For the level condition, UpPromote offers 5 types: total sales of all referrals, total earned commission, total referral quantity, total sales of downline affiliates, total sales of personal volume. For the 2 last options related to multi-level marketing, it's a method to expand your affiliate team. If you are unsure how it works, check the help docs we link in the description. For this video, choose total referral quantity since it's the most popular choice for merchants and fits our example. Next, add 2 more levels to complete the 3 tiers, from lowest to highest. Level 1, less than 100 sales. Choose Affiliate Program Tier 1 in the drop-down list. You don't need to set any condition value for this level. It automatically starts from 0. Level 2, from 100 to 499 sales. Choose Affiliate Program Tier 2 and set the condition value to 100 referrals. This means when an affiliate reaches 100 sales, they'll automatically move up to Tier 2. Level 3, from 500 sales. Choose Affiliate Program Tier 3 and set the condition value to 500 referrals. When an affiliate hits 500 sales, they'll move up to Tier 3. To keep things dynamic and motivate affiliates to keep performing, you can enable the Reset Autotier feature. This will automatically reset tiers periodically, encouraging affiliates to maintain their momentum. For example, if you want affiliates to reset back to their previous tier after 2 months, simply choose Reset Day as the first day of the month. Set the reset cycle to 2 months. Select Reset to Previous Level to send affiliates back to their last tier after the reset. Once you finish, you'll see a clear summary of all your Autotier settings here. Take a moment to review everything, make sure all the conditions and tiers are correct, and then click Save. And that's it! Your affiliates will now automatically move between commission tiers based on their sales performance, helping you boost motivation and sales. That's the end of our video tutorial. Feel free to reach out to our support team if you need help. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell for more tutorials. See you next time.